Hey guys, this is a highlight video, but it's a little bit different than the other highlights I've been doing. The first thing you'll notice is that I'm talking, and the second thing is I'm keeping the HUD up, because in this case I want to point out the team execute, and less an individual person. So here is we've set up, and let me make the console smaller. You can't draw on the map anymore since the panorama UI. But anyway, we're doing an A hit where we'll get stairs and jungle smoked, and I'm up here alone. I will clear the balcony and then molly under. And the entry path for this execute is run up this way and then run around to get to CT and, well, kill the CT player. Alternately, what you can do is you can run up here, and then when these smokes fade, you can flash through and then everyone push jungle. So those are your options. And the reason I always show the CT's perspective when I'm doing demo reviews like that. So point, good flash, you got flashed. Seek, good job not coming out of Palace because you would have gotten killed. And O-Town, great job for getting on your horse. O-Town and Savage for getting into CT spawn as fast as you can. And Bushy and Point, y'all followed him. Good job. That leaves me alone, but if there's anyone I want left alone, it's myself. Because I play like pussy, as you can see. I don't peek shit. I see a guy, I fall back. Anyway, and we finish him off. I think I get the first guy, and then Point gets the second guy. Y'all come up and shoot him in the back. So, perfect execute. Good job.